Hello everyone, this is Abhishek Yadav and today we are going to see Unix experiment number 8 process creation. So while doing process creation, in the first there are three questions. The first question is to create a process, and using fork system call we are going to create a second process B. The process A going to ask the user to enter the number of seconds, and process B will calculate its hour, minute and seconds. So so here we have so here we have process A and its PID, process ID, and its parent ID. And over here we ask the user to enter the number in seconds, and over here we ask the user using fork system call. If the fork system call is used, then this part is executed. This if part where PID is equal to 0 will be executed by the child process, that is process B, and we are going to calculate the hours, minutes and seconds. Let's compile it and see. So compilation is successful. Let's execute it and see. So it asks the enter the positive integer in seconds, let's say 105. So it displays 1 minute and 45 seconds. The second one is to ask the user to enter the string and print the reverse of the string and check it if it is a palindrome or not. So let's see the coding for it. So over here we ask the user the parent ID, that is process A is there, its parent ID and all is there. We make a fork system call and we use reverse it over here, and then we are going to use a fork system again. So this part is executed by the first child, that is process B, and this part will be executed by the second child, that is process C, same as the first one. And over here we get the process ID, and then we are going to display its process ID and its parent process ID, which is same as the process ID of A. And if it is same, then it is going to say it is palindrome. Let's execute it and see. Let's say, so it asks the positive integer number of characters. So let's say the number of characters is 5, and it asks the positive integer. So let's say ASDSA. So the process A over here it is executed, its process ID. So we can see over here its process ID is 15, and its parent ID both have the same parent ID. That means this type of stimulation is perfect. Now if it is a palindrome, yes, it is a palindrome. Let's execute it with some other example. So let's say this time 7, and the character is ASDF SDSS. So it is not a palindrome. Now let's try to execute it using the third. So in this one we have process A created process B, process C, process D, E, F. So we can see the inheritance or the hierarchy of the files. So let's see the file. So this is not well decorated, but it works the very same as first two. So over here this is the process A and its execution. So as they have all the parents and the child, they have the shared memory. So these all will be available in all the childs, like that is if B, C, D, E. So these all will be available. So the first thing is it will ask the user to enter the positive integer. Then the process B will find the factorial, C will find its Armstrong, and D will find it is Fibonacci or not. E will find its reverse, and we have to print their specific process ID and parent process ID. So over here we are going to see, so enter the positive integer num, get the process ID, and it is going to use the fork system call. So this part will be executed in the 1, that is, this is the process B and process D should be over here. So here this is the process B, we can see here process B, it will do the factorial of all that, and again it will execute fork system call. So this part will be your D, so the D should do the Fibonacci part. So over here we have the Fibonacci, this is the parent, this is the parent second half, that is it should have CEF. So this else part will have CEF, and C should have 2 parent, so the process child ID of 2, and it will use fork system call. So these are the two childs. So if it is, so over here we have it is a prime or not, and over here it is the second, it will be done by the parent reverse of the program. Let's execute it and see. So enter positive number, let's say 12. So over here we have process A has this much, factorial of it is this much, and the process B ID is this much. So and then again it shows the process A ID, and then the Fibonacci numbers less than this, and similarly the palindrome, it is not a palindrome of course, and it is a prime, yes it is not a prime also. Let's execute it with some other example which is a prime. So let's say 11. So yes, it shows it is a prime, and let's say it is a palindrome or not, so let's say 5. So let's say it says it's a prime child and it is a palindrome both, and these are the Fibonacci, this is the factorial of the number and all that. That's all, thank you for watching.